Welcome, here I've got OnePlus Nord and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner. It opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and as you can see at the third position here we have the grid option. So when we pick this we can change it, and we can turn on the 3 and 3 grid lines, 4 and 4, and golden ratio. So let me show you how it looks like. And let's go back to the camera. As you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful when we want to use the rule of third in photography and make experiments with composition. So let's go back to these settings. And let me show you now 4 and 4. And as you can see, there's a lot more of it now. And once again, when we go here, we can pick the golden ratio. So this is how it looks like, and of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the gallery here to the right corner, we can't see them at the real picture. These lines are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need it we can easily go back to the settings, tap on this and pick the known option. So for now they are gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.